Repurposing discarded furniture into modern home decor and art for profit begins with the realization that many objects cast aside as outdated or broken still contain extraordinary design potential hidden within their materials and forms. In scrapyards, curbside collections, flea markets, and forgotten storage spaces, mismatched furniture pieces often accumulate after they have lost their original purpose. Old chairs with broken legs, worn table bases, or outdated cabinets may appear destined for disposal, yet these items frequently contain beautifully crafted components such as lathe-turned legs, carved rails, and solid hardwood sections that reveal the skill of earlier craftsmanship. By approaching these pieces with a creative mindset rather than seeing them as unusable clutter, artisans discover an abundant resource of raw material ready to be transformed into refined contemporary decor. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process begins with careful salvage, where furniture parts are separated and examined for their structural strength and aesthetic qualities. Lathe-turned elements in particular offer remarkable visual interest because their rhythmic curves and symmetrical contours naturally lend themselves to artistic composition. These pieces once served as functional supports for tables, beds, or chairs, but when isolated from their original structures, they begin to reveal sculptural possibilities that can redefine them within modern interior design. The transformation unfolds through the deliberate act of slicing these salvaged components into varying segments, exposing the hidden grain profiles embedded within the wood. Each cut reveals a new pattern of rings, textures, and tones that were previously concealed beneath layers of stain or varnish. The cross-sections display organic geometry shaped by years of tree growth, creating a visual dialogue between nature and craftsmanship. When these segments are arranged thoughtfully, their repetitive curves and cylindrical shapes create a rhythmic composition that feels both balanced and dynamic. The lathe-turned forms, once aligned vertically as furniture legs, can now be placed horizontally or assembled into wall-mounted installations that resemble sculptural reliefs. This shift in orientation invites viewers to see the familiar shapes in an entirely new way, transforming ordinary furniture fragments into elements of contemporary art. As the segments are prepared for assembly, attention turns to the interplay between raw wood and modern finishing techniques. One of the most striking approaches involves contrasting the natural warmth of oak or similar hardwoods with bold matte black finishes applied to selected surfaces. The matte black coating introduces a contemporary edge that immediately signals the object's transformation from traditional furniture to modern art. When applied to certain sections of the carved forms while leaving others in their natural state, the finish highlights the contours of the wood and emphasizes the rhythm created by the repeating segments. The dark surfaces absorb light and create visual depth, while the exposed wood grain reflects subtle warmth. This contrast produces a refined aesthetic that resonates strongly with modern interior design trends, where neutral palettes and minimalist compositions often dominate. Arranging the segmented furniture pieces into cohesive artwork requires both artistic intuition and structural discipline. The shapes may be aligned in symmetrical patterns that emphasize order and repetition, or they may be staggered slightly to introduce movement and visual tension. Each piece contributes to the overall composition like a note in a musical sequence, building a sense of rhythm across the surface of the installation. When mounted onto a backing panel or integrated into a sculptural frame, the individual segments merge into a unified piece that feels intentional and sophisticated. What once existed as a collection of mismatched furniture parts now forms a modern artwork capable of transforming the atmosphere of a room. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Within contemporary interiors, such repurposed art pieces serve as striking focal points that bridge the gap between craft and design. The combination of reclaimed wood textures and sleek matte finishes aligns perfectly with the aesthetic language of modern homes, particularly those influenced by Scandinavian, industrial, or minimalist styles. Placed on a feature wall in a living room, hallway, or office space, the artwork introduces a tactile dimension that contrasts beautifully with smooth, painted surfaces and streamlined furniture. The layered segments cast gentle shadows as light moves across them, creating subtle variations that animate the piece throughout the day. This interaction between form, texture, and light enhances the architectural quality of the artwork, allowing it to function as both decoration and spatial element. Beyond visual impact, the act of repurposing discarded furniture into modern decor reflects a broader commitment to sustainability and responsible resource use. Furniture production often involves significant consumption of timber, energy, and manufacturing resources, yet many solid wood pieces are discarded simply because their style has become outdated or their structure damaged. By salvaging these items and transforming them into new creations, artisans extend the life cycle of the materials and reduce waste. The reclaimed wood carries the history of its previous form while participating in a new design narrative, demonstrating that sustainability can coexist with innovation and artistic expression. This environmental dimension resonates strongly with contemporary consumers who increasingly value products that align with eco-conscious values. The economic potential of such transformations is equally significant. Because the raw materials originate from discarded furniture, the initial cost is often minimal compared to purchasing new hardwoods. The value of the finished piece emerges from the creativity, craftsmanship, and design vision invested in its transformation. When executed with precision and aesthetic clarity, these artworks can command premium prices within design markets and online platforms that cater to buyers seeking unique decor. The narrative behind the piece, the story of how unwanted furniture was reimagined as modern art, adds emotional and conceptual value that enhances its appeal. Buyers are drawn not only to the visual qualities of the work, but also to the idea that they are acquiring something sustainable, handcrafted, and entirely original. As the repurposed artwork finds its place within modern interiors, it carries with it a sense of renewal that extends beyond its physical form. Each segment of wood reflects the craftsmanship of the past while participating in a contemporary expression shaped by present-day creativity. The transformation reminds viewers that beauty can emerge from unexpected sources and that objects once considered obsolete may still possess untapped potential. Through careful cutting, thoughtful arrangement, and refined finishing, the humble furniture fragment evolves into an artistic object capable of elevating the character of a space. The process also encourages a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship embedded in older furniture. Many vintage pieces were constructed from solid hardwood and shaped by skilled hands using traditional woodworking techniques. By salvaging these components rather than discarding them, artisans honor that heritage while giving the material a new identity. The resulting artwork becomes a bridge between generations of craft, blending historical workmanship with modern design sensibilities. Ultimately, repurposing discarded furniture into modern home decor and art for profit represents a powerful intersection of creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. It demonstrates how thoughtful design can convert overlooked materials into objects of beauty and value, proving that innovation does not always require new resources and relevant to modern living. These artworks transform scrap into sophistication, allowing the once-forgotten remnants of furniture to command attention as high-end design pieces within today's interiors. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.